Everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what the third week of November, that is from the 15th to the 21st of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Pisces. For the Pisces, this is going to be a week where there is going to be a lot of happening events happening around you, a lot of sometimes commotion and events and situations, and you might feel that there is a lot of noise around you. There's a lot of unnecessarily happening around you. You might feel a little bit stressed, you might feel a little bit overwhelmed by the speed and amount of things that are happening around you. So for the third week of November, the cards advise you to not to get involved in situations and events and things where you feel your presence is not necessarily required. As much as possible, stay away from crowds and stay away from noisy events and people and commotions that make you feel drained. Moving on to the area of work. Now, this is a week where you will have to be very, very careful at the place of work, because this is a week where you might be a little bit disappointed with the happenings at your workspace. Probably there will be some promises given to you, promises made by your colleagues or your seniors, which will not be respected, or not respected in the capacity in which the promises were made to you. There are chances that you were promised a promotion or some kind of a salary raise, and that will be denied. So you might feel a little bit betrayed and cheated as well. For this particular week, be very careful when you're talking about confidential things or very secret important things with people. Not everybody is to be trusted. So this is a week where it is better that you maintain some kind of a privacy to yourself and refrain from speaking about very important things to your colleagues. Moving on to the area of finances, finances are actually good. It's just that managing them is going to be a little bit stressful. So one slip or one kind of a little delay in the incoming of finances could actually make the entire cycle of finances very difficult to handle. So see to it that you are on top of your financial schedules, that all your payments, or if the checks are to be deposited, or if a particular payment is to be received or made, it is done absolutely on time. Make an effort to see to it that you do it before time, so that you do not have to go through the entire financial inconveniences later. Because this week the finances are kind of going to keep you on your toes. Moving on to the area of relationships, for this particular week, see to it that even in matters of relationship, whether personal or professional, and especially on a personal level, if there's some kind of an argument or strife or conflict within the family, don't contribute to it. Stay out, have a look at the entire situation, and later on you can give in your personal opinion to the concerned individual in private, rather than voicing your opinion publicly and creating yet another argument over it, which will in turn drain you even more. So see to it that you avoid such kind of situations. Stay neutral and it will help you throughout the entire week. In matters of health, be very, very careful while handling sharp objects, glass or knives. For this particular week, you might actually accidentally, either because of you or because of some other person's clumsiness, you might land up hurting yourself. Also be very careful when you walk. You might accidentally just bump into a piece of furniture and land up with a bump on your head. So this week is kind of a little bit accident prone, so just be a little bit careful, be mindful, look before you leap, look before you walk, and see to it that you don't bump into things. Have a very beautiful and a very, very happy, blessed week ahead.